Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text-to-speech sing on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, TikTok has a brand new feature that the text-to-speech feature can now sing that text instead of just, speaking that text in English, Spanish, or whatever. So to get the singing voice, you will open up TikTok here. And then at the very bottom center, you can see the plus icon. I'm going to tap on that and it'll bring up a little camera. I'm just going to record a very quick video just to demonstrate this. So once I've recorded that video, I can hit that little check icon at the bottom right. And then you can see at the very top right is text. I'm going to tap on that and I'm going to type in something random. So this is so cool. And if I want that to be sung, I can tap on this text here and go to text to speech here. So I'm going to tap and tap text to speech. Now the cool thing now is that you can have it sung. You can see all of these different ones with microphones. It says alto, sunshine, warmy, tenor. You can download all of these. Of course, you can just have random people in different voices say that text-to-speech, but you can also have it sung. And you can say apply alto to the following text-to-speech. That will apply it to the following text-to-speech, and then hit done here. And now it will sing "This is so cool" in that alto voice. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.